Now that we're going to be heading back after being here in the country for almost 2 years, we're heading back to the UK. And this is not something that people should sit and say, oh, well, they were telling us to come to Jamaica and now they're heading off and going back to the UK. No.
The Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Yeah.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. On this episode, we're coming to just have a sit-down, heart-to-heart chat with you about the fact that we're heading off back to the UK. And so now that we're going to be heading back after being here in the country for almost 2 years, we're heading back to the UK. And this is not something that people should sit and say, oh, well, they were telling us to come to Jamaica and now they're heading off and going back to the UK. No, if coming to Jamaica is something that you want to do, then it is something that you need to make happen for you and for your family. Eliona has had a phenomenal experience coming to Jamaica and going to school and experiencing school, being around people who she can relate to and find connection and identity in her heritage that she has on the island. So it was an amazing opportunity these 2 years. As we head off to the UK, we are by no means throwing a stone behind us or burning bridges behind us, because coming here we enjoyed the slower pace of life. We enjoyed the vitality that we could get from the food around us, the fresh air that we breathed, the water we drank, and in the interaction and the community that we had with the people around us. And we will forever be able to experience that, and so can you if you make the decision that you want to come to Jamaica for whatever duration of time that you want to come and have the opportunity to enjoy this island. We enjoyed going to all of the different beaches and attractions that we went to. We enjoyed worshipping service. We enjoyed reconnecting with friends and reconnecting with family. We enjoyed being able to have some of the opportunities that we were able to have, and Yah had blessed us to be able to make this move and to do this in our life at this point and this season of life. And it's been a rewarding process and a rewarding journey for me, and something that I wish that every Jamaican who is living in the diaspora, who are struggling with finding their footing, struggling with their identity, struggling with their confidence and their creativity, to just to be able to give themselves, reward themselves this opportunity of just coming to Jamaica, whether it's for a long duration or just for a short season. Just giving yourself that opportunity to recharge, to reconnect, to rejuvenate before you go back into the hustle and bustle of the country in which you are living. Now, this is not a goodbye from our side. We're heading off to the UK, and we're happy to be able to do so. And we will get an opportunity to sit down and explain to you why we're deciding at this point to leave Jamaica and go to the UK. We will explain in full detail so that you can come to the understanding of why we've made the decision that we made. And in the meantime, we know that you'll continue to support us in every possible way. And we know that it will not hamper your ambition, your dreams, or your vision to make the move. And all of the people that we've encouraged so far, our encouragement still stand, because these were words of encouragement that you needed to hear in this time and in this season, so that you can make the transformation that was required. There are so many people that we've connected with and spoken to, whether over email or through telephone conversations and WhatsApp, and so many of those people have come to the point where they've decided that they're coming back to Jamaica. Some people have made the decision they're going to come back. Some people have already come back. Some people have become connected with groups that we are fostering here for returning residents, and it's been a very productive and successful experience and opportunity to have this platform to encourage you to come back to your home country if that is what you so choose to do, and not to be put off by fear mongering and all the negativity that you often hear about the country, because there's so much more that is happening in the country that is causing transformation that you want to be a part of. Bear with us as we get through this trip, and then we will sit down and have a conversation with you as to why we are making this move at this point in time. Here we are. We've made it through customs, and now we're going through duty free. We're taking a long, relaxing walk because we have lots of time ahead of us. But we'll let you see what it looks like in here.
And we'll finally reveal the surprise that we did on the plane.
To all passengers, please get to all straight checkpoints and you will now begin the route back in preparation for
some of the shops in here. You can just walk in, but we're going to go sit down somewhere. Two hampers and a mule. Oh, that's so cute. But we're going to just go sit down and have a relaxing meal date in the airport. Yep. Oh, yeah, it's been almost 2 years since we've been in Jamaica. And now we're going to say goodbye to the island.
Your attention, please. Welcome home to Caribbean Airlines. My name is Shamar.
As we head on out.
Procedures are explained for Caribbean Airlines BW.
Someone over there
Service to Port of Trinidad.
vlogging for her channel.
Please ensure that you have your passport available for presentation.
Oh, she see one something. So walk board and Island Grill, Burger King. Okay, so we'll go see what's in here that we can do. And of course, we know we're at the airport, but it's always, it's not that busy now. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. But our flight will... We just saw 2 subscribers who came over to talk to us, and that was so lovely that they did. 2 sisters, and they are in Fort Lauderdale. So hi, and thank you for coming over to talk to us. And they are big Jam Fam tribe members. One of them came over and they were like, "Oh, Eliona, the cook who made her cookies and stuff." So she was remembering that Eliona did. And that was so awesome to see them, and it was great that they came over and say hi. So we appreciate it, and we just wanted to give you a shout out. So all the best with your journey back and your future plans. We just want to wish you all the best with that, your journey back and your future plans. Do take care. We decided to go with Burger King.
I don't know how many, but I got onion. My mom got fries, which I'm going to take some of. And we both got the original chicken sandwich. And that's our famous life up. And making an eating. Your fries are sweet.
I just saw you put fries in your mouth again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well,
People here to scan your boarding pass and have your passport open on the picture page. Your boarding pass must also be presented to a member of the cabin crew as you board the aircraft.
I'm going to go enjoy my
Customers
fries.
required trying to board are now invited to board from gate number 2. Thank you.
And she decided to share with me her onion rings.
Oh, and we got British ketchup, Hames.
Oh, Oh, we're going to go off to eat.
And maybe, I believe we will see you at boarding.
We're going to gate 6, so that direction. And we both finish our eating.
I got cold, so I put this on.
Mine is still here, waiting to go on the flight first. No, I know people can say, "Oh, it's hot in Jamaica," but see, we both in a track suit. See, track suit, because track suit agreed. Because everybody will say when you go by the airplane, you go. So that's it. Track's doing it, and that's where we're heading. So we're going to go to our gate and sit down and relax and wait there for the however long we have to wait. So we'll see you when we get on. Okay? That is that. Straight ahead. And we're boarding. So finally we're at that point now. And somebody was wondering if we're going to have to climb down stairs or we're going to have a bridge. And guess which it is.
I think they would have done the bridge because there are lots of people with disabilities.
Yeah. And so there is the bird we're going on.
And we have to sit at the very back. And we'll show you guys
So should I show them?
We've been watching this for the past 2 hours.
Yep. We were up there looking at it and there it is. So she's glad that she's finally getting to go. Yay! Is that what you said? Look at that joyful face. Look at that face being so joyful. Well, guys, we'll see you in there.
Let's make some space there.
We got and this and seat was that we got 3 seats at the moment. We got to choose it from. And there's the darkness. This is what I was looking at on my screen. This is outside. This is a taxi. And this is my mom and her movies.
I'm trying to find something, but I will figure it out as I go.
Okay.
show you guys where we are with the map. So we go there and we're going to have to trek all the way up there. So that's our trek. But it will be a good little one. And it's breakfast time. Let me show you what you wanna have.
I don't know what it is, but it's a sandwich.
Okay.
But we got to have our meal because they didn't have a grocery option.
So we end up having to take that. And it's okay. It's all good. So I'll let you know when we are there. We are seeing land. We are almost there. Look at all those fields down there. Oh, look at those toy cars that Leona says. The cars that look so good. They're like toys. Almost there. Oh, yes, she don't remember what England looks like, she said.
I remember what it looked like 2 years ago.
Hopefully it's pretty much the same. And feels pretty much the same. And if not, we'll see what it feels and looks like now. Okay. When we hit our mark and we have disembarked, we will come back and check in with you. We're about to hit the tarmac.
There we go.
And you know where this flight is coming from, right? From you hear that applause. You know it's coming from Jamaica or going to Jamaica, right? So we give you our thanks. We got here, safe and sound.
Let's see how many fines get handed out. I'm sure you're getting up.
Some called me as if you're somebody from quite a little while now, and it's just teeth, pure teeth, pure teeth.
This guy's getting fined taking.
It's like,
As a reminder, please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Please remain seated, thank you.
so we'll see where we get to and how we disembark shortly. And then we're back in the UK momentarily.
Are you sure?
Well, we aren't yet, you know, until we pass the border, we aren't actually in. We might touch ground, but until we, oh, yep, and we're on UK soil, but until you go through the border agency, you're not there. So we will let you know when we have gotten through the border.
The local time here is just approaching 5 to 11 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
The Jam Fam family. Where I living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. The Jam Fam family. Where I living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the
good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Time. So, as before and as always, thank you so much for spending this time with us here on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Bye for now, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.